video. In this video, we will try to design a pub sub in Golang. So essentially, first we'll understand what pub sub is and how it works. As you can see in the screen, pub sub is a way for different part of the system to talk to each other without being directly connected. Imagine like uh, basically there will be three entities, or let's say three components. One is publisher, one is topic, and another one is subscriber. So publisher is something who writes a message in a billboard. Let's say there is a notice board where someone comes and put a message in a billboard, and the topic is the basically the bulletin board or the billboard basically is the topic where the message are posted, and subscribers are general people who basically consumes from that bulletin board. So those are called subscribers. So in the similar manner, we will try to design the same approach, the same problem we'll try to solve, and this will solve in a concurrent manner. Let's say there are multiple threads, or you can say go routines are running in parallel, and there are multiple topics, multiple subscribers in a particular topic. So I assume you know a little bit of how PubSub works. So yeah, this is just the representation of that only. So if you just look into code base, there is this is this entity folder. Inside this there will be a message. So message will be basically a general message that will be pushed to topics, or that will be posted to basically bulletin board, you can say. So yeah, this will be the message will have a payload, and I, for simplicity, we can make it as string also, but I have kept it as interface. Then there will be a subscriber. So yeah, subscriber will have a basically an interface. That's kind of a, and we have created a concrete subscriber here which will basically implement this subscriber, this concrete subscriber. So it's kind of a strategy, you can say ki, let's say this concrete subscriber, different type of subscriber will have different strategies, and they can basically implement those methods and work in their own terms, and the contract between a subscriber and publisher will remain the same as we are using this interface. So now this subscriber will have a consume message where the messages will come. Get ID is basically to identify the subscriber's ID, and start processing is basically when the subscriber is subscribed to a particular topic, then the processing will start. And yeah, close basically will when we are unsubscribing from particular topic, then we need to close the subscriber also. Now let's check this concrete subscriber. So this concrete subscriber has an ID, name, and we are going to use channels here. So it will have a channel where all the message will get pushed, and then this close channel is basically when we are unsubscribing to a topic. Then this close channel will use to identify if the subscriber need to be shut down or need to be removed from a particular topic, or it is still active or not. So this message will propagate here. So yeah, then we'll have this method. So before jumping into all this, let's understand how our topic will look like. So topic will also have a interface. So again, similar terms, we have created a subscriber interface. Similarly, topic will also will have an interface, and external entities will interact with subscriber only. It will have a subscribe. So any subscriber can unsubscribe to this topic, and then we can unsubscribe, and any publisher will publish this topic. Okay, and again this have a concrete topic. This have a name, ID, and the subscriber map. So all the subscribers which are currently subscribed to this topic. Then we are maintaining this offset, although it's not going to be used in this example a lot. But let's say if you take example of Kafka or anything, where basically all the consumer groups or all the let's say subscribers have a particular offset maintained, where basically they can let's say there is an array of 10 elements, and currently one subscriber is at, let's say, fifth position, one is at sixth position. So and let's say a new subscriber comes, then we have to propagate all the older message to that subscriber. So that's why we have kept offset of each subscriber also. Then this message array, this will be basically all the messages that are present in the particular topic. Then we have a basically mutex. So mutex is basically we have used key at any time of point, if some go routine or some thread is adding some subscribers, and some thread is basically deleting some or unsubscribing from the particular topic, then those operations should not basically happen in a thread safe environment. So that's why we have used mutex here. So then jump back to again to the subscriber. Yeah, This new concrete subscriber will give us a subscriber. Then get ID is simply returning the ID here. Yeah, it is simply returning the ID here. Now whenever this consume function called, so this consume function will basically put it will get a message. So message we have already discussed, this has some payload. So this message will push to this channel, and yeah, and then start processing. Once the subscriber is subscribed to a particular topic, then it will start processing it, and it has basically this select statement, and it will keep on basically looping and keep on checking which type of which in which channel is there any message or not, is there any new content is or not. So this message channel basically would get a message, and for simplicity we are just printing the payload here. And let's say if there is any value comes to this close channel, we're basically returning it from here. So that basically we are closing this processing block. Okay, so this is more of the basic, more of on subscriber side. Now let's go to topic side. So these are our main things. So let's similarly we are creating a new topic here, and then the subscribe method basically for a particular topic, the subscribe method will get a subscriber here, and the subscriber is nil or something like that will return here. Although I think we can remove it for now here. Yeah. So first it will acquire a log, and then this differ basically release the log once the content or once the part of this code gets executed. Now what will happen, so in the concrete topic subscriber map, we'll basically get the subscriber ID and put the subscriber here, and then we'll start the processing of that particular subscriber. So this start processing, if you go here, yeah, this is the that continuous for loop. It will keep checking the channels. Okay, so now, yeah, so now basically if any new subscriber is getting subscribed, we'll check what was the older offset of that particular subscriber. If that may be a new subscriber or old subscriber, so we'll check the offset. From that offset we'll loop through all the messages, and in parallelly we'll basically call the consume method of that particular subscriber and pass the message value. So this consume basically, if you check here, this consume function will basically push to the message channel. This push this message to the message channel. Okay, so this is basically more of a subscribing thing. Now let's talk about the publishing. So let's say we have added a subscriber, and now we are publishing a new basically payload. This payload is in interface. Then again we are acquiring log. So why the log is needed here, because here if you check, we are creating a message object, and then basically we are again calling this consume method similar that way we have consumed here. We have called this consume method here, and then increasing the offset value, and then printing the. Now when we are looping through this subscriber list, let's say another subscriber came and it say ki subscribe to this same topic, then this might create some issues, because we are already looping through a particular list of subscribers, and a new subscriber might get added or might get removed. That's why we had acquired a lot log here. So in the same manner, we'll update the offset, we'll call this consume method, we'll print all the data here. And in case of unsubscribe, what we'll do, we'll again acquire a log, so that any new subscriber comes and or added or removed, then it will not hamper or it will not create any issues. We'll delete the subscriber list from delete the subscriber value from the subscribers map in this particular concrete topic. Then we in background will call this subscriber.close. So what subscriber.close is doing, subscriber.close is basically waiting for some time. So ideally this is not how it should be. It should basically uh, done the processing of all the current message in that particular channel, and then it basically close the channel. So we are waiting her for 5 seconds, but ideally we should basically change this to some other manner to check if there is any messages in that particular channel, or that particular channel is empty or not, something like that we need to do. But for simplicity we have put the sleep here so that all the message get processed. Now in this closed channel we are passing this true value. So once this closed channel will pass the true value, it will basically end this for loop. Now we are closing this, but closing all the channels. So we have if you check here, we have two channels, message channel and close channel. So we are closing both channels, and then we are printing that channel is closed. So yeah, again if we go to this topic, yeah, we will see key this is basically uh, this is the basically unsubscribe part. So yeah, it's simple term only. These are the things. Now if I go to my main function, so I'll explain. So we are creating this topic one, then creating a subscriber one, then creating a subscriber two. Topic one is getting topic one, subscriber one is subscribing to topic one, subscriber two is subscribing to topic one again. Then we are publishing this first message. So this first message should get propagated to subscriber one and subscriber two, and the second message. Now we are unsubscribing subscriber one from topic one. So now the new message should not get, basically this third message should not get propagated to subscriber one. So we'll, once we run the code, we'll check that. Now subscriber 3 we are getting new subscriber, and topic 1 mein we are subscribing this subscriber 3, and then we are publishing this fourth message. So this subscriber 3 should also get all the messages, like first message, second message, then the third message also, and the fourth message, because the offset should be 0 initially. So let's try to run this. Yeah, so I have added a time.sleep here so that all the message get processed for some time. So let's say offset. So yeah, as this is happening in a concurrent environment, you say ki subscriber 2 gets offset first, then subscriber 1 get offset first, then subscriber 1 get offset to subscriber 2 go. So basically each subscriber is getting processed. I mean, we are passing the messages to subscriber in a serial manner, because of UCC subscriber 2 is first offset is here, then subscriber 2 second offset, subscriber 2 third offset, subscriber 3 first offset. So in this manner we are basically passing these value. Okay, I think there might be some issue. Yeah, this the issue will be in here. Whenever we are subscribing to particular offset, we are not basically updating the offset value here. So what we can do, once this is called, we'll basically do the same thing that we have done here. We'll increase the subscriber offset count here. Yeah, so this basically, let's say uh, sub dot get id. Yeah, okay, now if I run this, yeah, subscriber 1, subscriber 2, subscriber 3, offset 1. So ideally it should not be offset 3. um, mm, yeah, as we are checking that this subscriber 3 was basically not getting the older message, so there was issue because we are increasing the subscriber count, but with this payload or this message we are not adding back to the message list. So let's say concrete topic dot messages equals to append dot messages, and then basically we will add here this message. So now this message will get basically stored in the message array. So now let's say if we run this, so yeah, subscriber 1 offset 1 offset 2, subscriber 1 ka offset 2, then these are the basically message published by subscriber 1. So it's happening in a concurrent manner, so that's why it's basically some message is getting processed first, some message getting processed second. Now subscriber this 3 you see a second message, first message, third message, and then fourth message, but this fourth message is never consumed by subscriber 1. You see, yeah, it's never consumed by subscriber 1. So I mean, yeah, this is the basically a small example on how to design a pub shop. So I mean, we can definitely improve or design a lot, but yeah, generally, if this is asked to in interview or asked to design in kind of a machine coding round, we can kind of somehow design a similar pattern. So yeah, please let me know what we can improve in this design. What are the good things you liked? What are the things that should have been improved? All those things. So yeah, thank you for viewing this video. Bye.